Meet the Rabbit R1, the shockingly smart mini-machine with an innocent face that could make smartphones extinct. Imagine an AI companion that's like a personal genie in your pocket. It understands desires you can't even articulate yet, accomplishes tasks before you ask, and morphs to match your ever-evolving character. Don't be fooled by the retro casing. The Rabbit R1 knows you better than you know yourself. Intrigued yet? You will be. The possibilities are endless thanks to the power of RabbitOS, an operating system specifically built to handle complex AI capabilities. It runs on Rabbit's proprietary large action model that can not only comprehend requests but also mimic human actions in apps and services to get things done. This goes far beyond what voice assistants like Siri can achieve today, and it certainly beats poking at your smartphone screen constantly. Intrigued yet? Well, let's dive deeper into the magical device capturing everyone's imagination at CES 2024. In terms of design, the R1 brings together retro vibes with modern tech. Developed in collaboration with Teenage Engineering, renowned for its quirky electronic music products, the R1 has a fun, approachable look. It comes in cute colors like ochre gray, navy, and bright popping orange. Despite its compact 2.88 inches form, the R1 doesn't compromise on features. It packs a responsive touchscreen, a rotating 8-megapixel camera, a scroll wheel, a talk button, and a USB-C charging port. The custom-designed Rabbit Eye camera is especially nifty. Place the R1 on any surface, ask it something, and watch this camera spin around to face you. So how is it powering all these features under the hood? MediaTek's Helio P35 processor combines with 4GB RAM and 128GB storage to keep things running super smooth. There's also 4G LTE connectivity via a SIM card slot, and RabbitOS has been specially optimized to be power efficient. You can expect up to 10 hours of active usage, or 48 hours on standby from the R1's decent capacity battery. It all comes together in a futuristic yet familiar package, weighing just 115 grams and literally fitting inside your palm. The anodized, scratch-resistant metal body finished with grooved textures makes the device easy to grip. And the magnetic back lets you stick on modular accessories like stands and straps for versatile usage. While the nostalgic hardware is cool, the R1's software capabilities are about to truly blow your mind. Keep watching to find out more. So what makes the Rabbit R1 stand out from other gadgets out there? It all comes down to the intelligence of RabbitOS and its uncanny ability to accomplish tasks for you just like a personal assistant would. This goes way beyond basic commands for music or weather that you may ask a regular smart speaker. The R1 can seamlessly integrate with many of the apps and services you already use daily. Simply link your accounts in the Rabbit Hole web portal, and it can start handling tedious tasks for you. No more juggling multiple apps. For instance, you can ask the R1 to order your favorite comfort food from DoorDash, or book you an Uber ride home after work. Going on a trip? Tell the R1 your destination and dates, and watch it automatically find flights and hotels for you on Expedia. It can also curate personalized playlists tailored to your taste on Spotify, or let it manage your busy calendar and schedule meetings for you automatically by integrating with your work apps. RabbitOS aims to eventually replace the need for a digital assistant on every separate app or website, and the R1 has more tricks up its sleeve. Its Rabbit Eye camera opens up cool visual features no ordinary assistant can match. Point it at ingredients in your fridge, and the R1 will intuitively suggest recipes. You can even translate conversations in real time using the R1's camera and mic. Planning an overseas vacation? Practice speaking the native language with this gadget as your personal interpreter. But perhaps the most futuristic Rabbit R1 capability is Teach Mode. Here, you can have a two-way dialogue to actively guide the R1's learning on any topic, from playing guitar to coding. Think of it like training an apprentice. For example, walk through steps to touch up images in Photoshop while the R1 observes. It processes for 30 seconds, after which you can test its knowledge. The R1 will keep honing its new skill with your feedback. This free-form conversational education is a peek at how classroom learning could evolve thanks to AI. The teachable R1 truly captures your imagination once you realize how it differs from limited voice assistants we currently use. While Siri or Alexa work well for basic queries, they lack deeper intelligence and flexibility. Predefined voice commands only go so far, and smart devices today can't adapt by observing humans or learning new skills interactively. The R1 demonstrates what lies ahead for virtual assistants. The capability to understand natural, complex instructions, and then manipulate apps and services actually to accomplish tasks for you. No other gadget puts these advanced large language and action models together in such a personable package. And compared to grabbing your phone every time you need something done, the cute little R1 makes digital assistants more friendly and approachable. Having a dedicated smart companion results in a less distracting experience. The R1 may not replace every function of your high-end smartphone just yet, but its warm, nostalgic design certainly makes you rethink your relationship with technology. Do we really need more smartphone screen time when an AI sidekick can handle tasks effortlessly instead? As a specialized AI agent, the teachable Rabbit R1 represents the future of human-computer interaction. It can revolutionize how we learn, work, create, and maybe even have fun by blending digital and physical worlds seamlessly. The staggering possibilities of this powerful little machine shine through. But the journey has only just begun for the R1 as developers explore its potential at the forefront of AI. The R1 clearly represents a monumental leap in AI assistance. But early adopters of this advanced technology also have some valid concerns. For one, privacy and security need to be ironclad with a device that integrates so intimately into your digital life. Rabbit claims user data stays private, anonymous, and encrypted. But people will want more transparency on how their personal info is protected, especially when linking other accounts. Reliability is another issue. Such an ambitious gadget tackling so many use cases at once could struggle with consistent accuracy. However advanced, AI still makes mistakes, especially in untested edge cases. So the R1 will need rigorous real-world testing across diverse demographics and scenarios to instill consumer confidence. But if Rabbit manages to smoothly address these concerns without compromising innovation, the future looks incredibly exciting. A portable gadget wielding advanced AI could revolutionize many fields, whether mastering an instrument, programming, or even cooking. The versatile R1 could revolutionize entertainment by enabling personalized, multi-sensory experiences from fused touch, voice, camera controls in mobile gaming to blending digital elements into real-world views through augmented reality. This intuitive AI tech also promises to enhance productivity enormously. From futuristic virtual boardrooms taking remote collaboration to new levels, to doctors leveraging the interface to train AI models hands-on during complex medical procedures. Rabbit R1 kicks off an AI innovation gold rush with endless possibilities that no one might have even conceived yet. Developers will compete in figuring out niche use cases across industries while Rabbit gathers feedback to advance the product rapidly. As early adopters, it's our chance to try out such promising precursor gadgets playing a role in shaping the future. I, for one, cannot wait to get my hands on the R1 once it launches in 2024. And now, if you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future updates.